How to use a handful of peppermint juice. Just plant a large area of mint potted plants. First, get some plastic bottles. Cut along the bottle with a knife. Split it in two. The flat bottom part can be appropriately shorter. The top half of the bottle. And a soldering iron to make some holes. These holes is the follow-up, used to hydrate the roots of mint. Then prepare some fluffy and well-drained soil. Fill them into freshly made vases. The soil is slightly lower than the mouth of the bottle. Subsequently, pinch a few mint branches and leaves from my wife's house next door. Trim off excess cement with scissors. Only a small number of shoots can be retained. This can greatly reduce early cuttings, nutrient consumption due to leaf transpiration. After handling, insert these essences one by one into the soil at the base. Planting density is determined according to the size of the pot. Just plant 8 to 10 in a bottle here. After all the cuttings are completed, water them thoroughly to promote the rapid germination of rhizomes. At the same time, the bottom of the vase also needs to be filled with water. In this way, the rhizomes will grow later. No need to water frequently. After 10 days, the essence of mint is fast. Quickly adapt to the new environment. It also gave rise to many new branches and leaves through the bottle at this time. A small number of rhizomes have been observed, stretching towards the flat bottom. The time has come to the 30th day. The vase is already full of mint branches and leaves. It's a big green patch. Through the screen, it's as if you could smell the characteristic of mint. Bring your own cool. The fragrance of the breath. Lift the vase. You can see it. The bottom is already covered with mint roots. Now you can start harvesting the mint leaves. Peppermint is a perennial herb. Peppermint after some trimming. Branches and shapes will grow stronger. It doesn't grow too crazy. And peppermint has a very good regenerative capacity. It's very suitable for propagation through cuttings. Cutting can be avoided. The problem of long seed germination period. Directly remove the pruned branches. Reinsert into the soil. Can grow into new spiders. Be careful if you don't have mint branches. Then you can also use the broadcast. The way to plant mint seeds. First, add an appropriate amount of nutrient soil to the nursery pot. After sprinkling the seeds of mint into it, and then we cover it with soil. Spray the right amount of water to promote the germination of seeds. At the right temperature. About 20 days. The mint seeds have sprouted one after another. By day 35, the seedlings are ready for transplanting. Prepare a long nursery pot. Transplant the mint seedlings one by one into the nursery pot. Be careful not to hurt the rhizomes of the seedlings as much as possible. After all transplanting is completed, spray the right amount of water. Make seedlings quickly adapt to the new growth environment. Day 60. Peppermint has successfully passed the seedling stage. Blades at this time already has all the characteristics of mint. If it is for pot farming, you can do it now. Transplant them into pots uniformly, according to the size of the flower pot. Plant 2 to 3 in one pot. You can achieve the effect of filling the basin. After transplanting, the top branches and leaves of the mint need to be pruned off. This will speed up the growth of the mint juice around. The time has come to the 120th day after planting. At this time, the flower pot is already full of mint leaves. Peppermint has evacuation wind heat and refreshing the brain. And after pruning the mint branches and leaves, soon new branches and leaves will grow again. It's very easy to grow a large expanse of mint. Friends who like the taste of mint, you can also plant it yourself.